A routine traffic stop escalates when a suspect tries to run after officers discover an active warrant, turning a simple stop into a rapid arrest.
Can I stay in the car for me?
Oh, she didn't tell me I had to get. I was out the car when y'all pulled up though.
Yeah, you're good. Just we saw you driving, so can you?
Yeah, but I was out the car though. Why do I have to get back in the car?
Just for our safety, it's just.
I'm not gonna do nothing.
I understand, but
I'm not gonna do nothing.
it's just a lot easier.
I'm not gonna do nothing.
No problem contained in the car. Do you have a valid license?
Yeah, I do.
Okay,
this not even my truck, it's my son's. He's letting me hold it because my car is wrecked. It's up there at the gas station.
I understand, but you know, in the state of Florida, you can't have tint on the windshield. You can't have your tint has to be 28% in the front, 15% in the back.
I get it, not my car though.
I understand.
But I get it. If she's gonna give me a ticket, that's fine.
But what I'm trying to
I'm not gonna argue with you, ma'am, about it. I know what the law is, but it's not my car. So I'm driving it because I don't have a car. I have a son in a wheelchair.
Argue with her about window tinting, but her body language shows that she is hiding something.
So I have,
for the vehicle,
and that's why I said if she's gonna give me the ticket, that's fine.
But that's just why
I'm not gonna argue with you about it, ma'am. I don't need you to educate me. I know the law. I know the tent's probably illegal, so that's why you're gonna give me a ticket. That's why you pulled me over, right?
That's why we
okay, I know that. Pull somebody in there in the car.
So yeah, I mean, if they observe, they all have to do is observe the driving.
Okay, that's what I was just saying.
Yeah. They just have to observe it driving.
Yeah, that's my cousin.
Okay.
They didn't see her driving.
They'd have to perform the traffic stop.
She was out the car, literally out the truck. They did not.
They was literally out the truck. They so worried. Y'all been driving.
Literally out the truck.
So what they would have to, sometimes, we can't get the stop right away. Traffic being the way it is, so they can.
Way back there though, because they see her way back there. She was already parked. Put the lights on.
I'm assuming if they've seen her driving prior to this. Here.
So then, why come harass them when they already stopped?
Just because you're stopped doesn't mean that there wasn't a driving infraction that occurred. So.
Okay, so but it says that when y'all see that, y'all supposed to act then, right then. Y'all should have stopped her right then.
So again, we'd like to, as soon as we see something, stop it. But sometimes there's traffic, so there's other things in the road where we can't, we can't just we have to ride with due regard is what it's called. So we can't just break every state law there is to get there for a traffic stop.
So then, majority of the time, when y'all see somebody, y'all put y'all lights on and everybody move when y'all stop what y'all want right then.
Majority of the time, yes, that's correct. You are correct, sir. Yes.
Why couldn't that happen then?
I don't know their circumstance. All I can say is it's still legal for them to perform a traffic stop.
For one traffic stop, why does it require so many police?
Well, it's just like...
They're cooperative.
Yeah, they're cooperative, but there's 3 or 4 of them in the car. There's only 2 officers. All that plays in. I'm just here. It looked like you guys had some questions, so I'm here trying to answer those questions.
This man will change the course of events.
Sorry, I don't have anything.
Oh, you don't?
No, I checked.
He had started moving towards him to arrest him.
I didn't have that. Right there. Do not move. Right there. Hey, get it right there.
What did I do?
Right there.
I did not have no dope. I didn't have no dope.
Dope's right there.
What I did, man? I don't know.
You got a warrant.
For what? For what?
Domestic. Are you in a domestic relation?
No, sir.
Argument today?
No, sir. That's not my dope, sir.
I seen you throw it from your pocket.
I promise you that's not my dope, sir.
An attempt to smuggle drugs with him was uncovered.
Who are you holding it for then?
That's not my dope, sir. I promise you. I don't have no dope, sir.
I seen you throw it from your
Swear to
pocket.
God, sir. Please, sir.
I ain't see you throw nothing.
I have no dope,
right behind y'all.
Please, sir.
I ain't see you throw nothing.
I ain't have no dope, man.
Well, Sean.
Come on, sir, man.
I'm sorry.
I'm sure.
It was in your pocket and you threw it out.
I did not have no dope.
So if you're holding them for somebody, it's now yours.
Well, you ain't have no dope. Just be quiet, bro. They'll take you up for what they take in your
I'm gonna sit you up. Turn on your side. Sit on your butt. 3, 2, 1. Step up.
4 41. 15 with a
He right here, Erica. Trying.
Hey, can you step away, please, for just a second?
Trying.
Yeah.
Yeah, they're taking him to jail. Somebody.
Sorry, do you mind just searching?
Yeah.
I got
Oh, wait, no, I got him.
Can I have him to log in his phone?
No.
And then they tell me he
Anything on him? Anything on him is gonna go with him.
That's brief.
Did Paige get?
I can get on my phone. I can get on my
No,
phone.
I don't want you reaching anything.
That's my phone. I can get on my phone. I can get on my phone. That's my phone.
It doesn't matter.
Our policy is that your property stays with you, sir.
The officer is explaining that, according to procedure, any personal belongings the suspect has will remain with them during the arrest and transport.
Once you're in
It's really
custody,
up to the discretion of the officer.
It's not.
Because
It really
it's our
is.
policy.
they could say that you're under the influence.
Y'all ain't
Hey, I'm sorry. Do you
away your
know what
property
policy
when you
is?
get
Well, I do because I've had it happen before.
Okay.
I ain't got no problem with now one of y'all. I'm just trying to make sure my nephew's
okay?
straight. That's all.
All right.
What do you got in your pocket?
I ain't got shit.
Nothing else?
I don't have shit.
Nothing's gonna stick me in.
No, I don't got nothing.
If he threw that out his pocket, the money would have came out.
I didn't throw nothing out my pocket. I promise you I didn't, bro. That's crazy, bro. I ran because you rushed up on me. You could have just told me you wanted to talk to me, but you
I did that.
That's literally what
Nah,
he
because
said.
all y'all rushing up on me like I'm finna do something to one of y'all, man.
That's what I asked you at
That's
first.
crazy, bro. Come on, man. I could have been nasty and just kept on running, man.
Here's your legs.
This shit crazy, bro. Shit fucked up, bro. Crazy, bro.
The big girl had the ticket in her hand trying to give it to you, trying to hurry up and go to them. That's for your sweet ass. What you still over there?
Parking garage. 1042 Colin.
Wait for that. Okay. Or you can start pitching after an open
So it's framing. I feel like I got it. I'm right here and I don't know what she said.
First thing of radio traffic wasn't, I don't know, it just wasn't getting transmitted. It was like a,
It was like
you
air.
couldn't hear any words, yeah.
Just
Maybe it
because
was
you were
the wind.
running. Yeah.
Maybe we were just that fast. It was the wind.
Dude, it just took my voice away.
So fast.
I was just like, you running away from me.
Like we have Texas team.
Well, all he did was he ran that way, then he ran around, and then he ran this way, and he was like, oh yeah, I get that.
I was like, wow, got him.
Hey, I was right there. Who gave up?
Because of somebody else's reward. I was like, oh, wow.
Molly, unlock the car so I can test the door.
My house on my couch last night. He just came over and
Hey, can you unlock the back so I can just test? Okay.
After reviewing the full body camera footage, this incident highlights a critical truth about police encounters. Running almost always makes things worse. At the start, officers were conducting what appeared to be a standard traffic-related investigation. Regardless of whether the individual believed the stop was valid or questioned the timing of the stop, officers are legally allowed to detain a driver based on observed violations, even if contact occurs moments after the vehicle stops. A key misunderstanding here is timing. A traffic stop does not become invalid simply because the driver exited the vehicle before officers made contact. If officers observe the vehicle being driven moments earlier, the stop remains lawful. The situation escalated dramatically when the suspect chose to flee. Once someone runs, the encounter shifts from a traffic matter to a flight and safety issue. At that point, officers must assume the possibility of a warrant, contraband, or a threat, which legally justifies pursuit and detention. During the arrest, officers allege that narcotics were discarded while the suspect was fleeing. Whether intentional or panicked, discarding items during flight often becomes the strongest evidence in court. What may have been a citation or brief detention turns into felony exposure in seconds. Another important point is emotional reasoning versus legal reality. The suspect repeatedly attempted to argue fairness, policy, and personal circumstances. Unfortunately, roadside debates do not override lawful authority. Courts, not traffic stops, are where legality is challenged. This footage also demonstrates how panic overrides logic. The suspect later admitted running simply because officers rushed toward him. That instinctive reaction, while human, created the very outcome he feared. This video is shared under fair use for educational and commentary purposes. It is not meant to mock or dehumanize the individual involved, but to show how quickly poor decisions compound consequences. The takeaway is clear and consistent across countless police encounters. If you have a warrant, running guarantees arrest and adds new charges. Calm compliance preserves options. Flight removes them. Viewers are encouraged to watch critically, understand the legal framework behind traffic stops and warrants, and recognize how seconds of panic can permanently change the outcome of an encounter.